Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss the problem why can't I download TikTok. So if you cannot download TikTok on your device, here are some things to check. The first one is App Store region. So make sure your Apple ID's region supports TikTok because some countries restrict TikTok, so if your region doesn't allow TikTok, it will not appear in the App Store. The second thing that you can check if you cannot download TikTok is storage space. So if your phone has full storage, then you will not be able to download new apps. Also, TikTok requires a certain minimum iOS version, so make sure that your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version, or at least meets TikTok's requirements. Also check if there are any content restrictions or parental controls enabled on your device that might block TikTok from downloading, and ensure that you have a stable internet connection because poor connectivity can interrupt downloads. So that were the main issues why can't you download TikTok. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.